I am the main cook at my house. If you are also the main cook in your home, comment below. And as a cook, I like to make things that are quick and easy that my family and I can eat for the rest of the week. And it only requires 6 ingredients, which I love. The only thing is there's an ingredient here that you probably haven't tried yet, or you've tried, but you haven't really got it down. Well, this recipe is for you. If you've never heard about cassava, here is a great cassava recipe you can make from scratch. All you need is grated cassava and a few other ingredients. And as you can see, it's super easy. You're gonna fry it once you mix all the ingredients together, and then voila, that's it. Great to eat with rice or quinoa if you don't like rice, or you can actually make this as a sandwich. So let me know if you guys try this in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Thanks for stopping by. Bye guys.